Hey guys, IrwinTech here. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to run a virtual machine on your Chromebook, so I hope you enjoy. If you haven't already, make sure to smash the subscribe button with notifications on. As always, we're trying to hit 10,000 by the end of the year. It'd be greatly appreciated. I would also appreciate it if you could go check out my memberships with brand new perks and cool stuff like that. Maybe even buy them. It would be greatly appreciated if you could do so. So yeah guys, let's just go ahead and get right into the video. Alrighty guys, so before we start this tutorial, you'll need Linux mode enabled, linked in the description below on how to do so. You already know what's happening. This Google Doc with all the commands in it is also linked in the description below. So the first step for this virtual machine tutorial, you want to go ahead and open the Linux terminal. Once you've launched the Linux terminal, go back to the Google Doc, highlight the command. You can either right-click it, click copy, go back to the terminal and right-click it, or you can highlight it, Control-C and Control-Shift-V into the terminal and copy and paste it. Once it's in the terminal, hit Enter. Since I already have it installed on my system, it will say this, but if you don't, it will ask you to hit Y on your keyboard and click Enter. You want to do that. Once it's done installing, go ahead and close the Linux terminal. It will be sitting right here as Virtual Machine Manager. Go ahead and launch it. Before we create the virtual machine, I recommend going to your settings and then go ahead and go to your Linux apps section and go to disk size. I would recommend changing it to around 30 or 50 gigabytes. Mine is at 50, which is a good amount for virtual machines. After you put it to a high limit, go back to your virtual machine manager, go to File, and do New Virtual Machine. Choose Local Install Media, and then click Forward. Then you want to go download your ISO file. For instance, if you're using Windows 10, Ubuntu, Elementary OS, Mac OS, you want to go ahead and search for a Mac OS, Ubuntu, Windows 10 ISO file. For this tutorial, I'm going to be using an Ubuntu 20.04.1 LTS file. So I'm just going to go to this website. If you want to download this, link in the description below. Just go ahead and click download on your ISO file. Once it's done downloading, go to your Files app. Go to your downloads and locate your Ubuntu ISO or whatever ISO file you downloaded. You can highlight it and either do Control-C, go to Linux files and do Control-V, or you can go back to it and right-click it and click Copy, then go to Linux files and click Paste. And then it'll automatically paste the file right there and it'll copy it. And then once that's done, close your Linux files, go back into the Virtual Machine Manager, click Browse, then go Browse Local, and then locate your file. Mine is right here, and click Open. And then if it says None Detected, uncheck this box and type Generic. It will be right here. Click on it and click Forward. You can change the memory and CPU. I'm going to leave it like that. Click Forward, and then give it a good amount of gigabytes for the installation and click Forward. Click Finish. And then once it's done, it'll open your virtual machine and start installing it on your Chromebook. So see, it automatically opened my virtual machine for my Ubuntu. And then all you have to do is wait for it to be done downloading and installing on your virtual machine system. And then your virtual machine will be downloaded on your Chromebook. I hope you guys enjoy and thank you for watching.